A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Oasis or Rose, whatever you want to call it. Wanted to make a quick update on that because, well, yesterday we have been very bullish again. Excuse me, it's still an early morning for me. Very bullish again. I mean, right, this time we even ignored the entire level between 7.2 and 7.5, which I'm actually going to clear up a little bit. Hopefully it's clearer now for you as well. But we have been very bullish. We have reached our 1.618 fib around 8.3, 8.4. Massive resistance level. So I just wanted to do an update on what to expect. So let's get right into it. One thing I wanted to add as well. I mean, Oasis network right now. I mean, there's you can pretty much see in the price action, also on the daily, that it's there's some weird price action going on. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes that's just how crypto is. But some weird price action going on. We all know, or most of you that have watched my Oasis videos know that the volume slightly worries me. A lot coming from BitTrue, which is, well, not the biggest exchange. So if there's proportionally a lot of volume coming from there, usually there's some sort of manipulation going on. But all right, it doesn't matter that much. But apart from that, something that I did know, but I didn't really put it in the full picture, is that Rose is also capitalizing off of the whole AI and big data narrative a little bit. I personally don't think that Oasis network has a lot to do with AI. But I do know that they have some projects going on with, for example, Meta, which are about AI. Yeah, here. So you can also see in progressing AI, we must build systems that are safe, ethical, and fair. And that's also the main thing that they're working on with Meta in some sort of a cooperation. So I don't think Oasis network itself is doing that much with AI, but it is capitalizing on the narrative a little bit. So that's one explanation for the increased bullish momentum. Right now, let's take a look at Rose for now. As I said, we just hit a major resistance level. You can really see that technically, I mean, this level isn't as strong as, for example, 10 cents and 9.6, 9.5, but it is fairly strong, all right, technically. And then you also have the 1.618 fib there, the 0.618 altogether. That level around 8.5 is pretty strong. We hit that. Now the big thing is we're going to drop down, all right? We have already given up 8 cents as a support with this last candle. We broke down below that. So we're going to drop down right now. We're going to drop down to this level right here between 7.6 and ultimately 7.4. But I would just say for simplicity 7.5. Psychological support level. We'll drop down there. Technically also very strong, by the way. But we'll drop down there. And then the only way in which I think we can actually reach levels even higher, where my first price target would still be 8.8. I think already aiming for 9.3 and 9.4, even especially when the market circumstances like right now are pretty uncertain, is too much. So if we really want to get to 8.8, we're going to, as I said, we're just going to drop down to 7.5, 7.6. If we can actually hold that level for like at least a day, then I think we can also break above 8 cents and get up to 8.8 and therefore have another rally, because I've seen this structure before. It's just you have these rallies and big drops kind of simultaneously. So if we but I do think that right now we need to hold that at least 7.4 level, because if we're not able to do that, if we break down below, like I think we'll drop down to 7.5, I think we'll find support there. But if we cannot stay on top of it for a day, so if it breaks, we'll drop down to 7 cents, we'll take a break retest, drop down to this level here at 6.6, 6.5. And I don't think that from here we would be strong enough to actually get another rally. I'll keep you updated, of course, if that happens, but I just don't, from my experience with market movements like these, it usually stops at 3. And if it doesn't stop at 3, we at least hold significant support levels, like 7.5 in this case. So if we're not able to hold that, we'll continue dropping, and I think the chances are very low of getting back to like 8 and 8.4 cents. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I actually do think this is the most likely scenario. I do think 7.6, 7.5 is strong enough to hold us for at least today. And I think the circumstances in the market, even though they're pretty ambiguous right now, are more bullish than bearish. All right, so as I said, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take on Rose. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.